What's up guys, and it's time to seal the deal. We're just 2 weeks away from the official announcement, but still the leaks are unstoppable. These are some of the final amazing leaks regarding the Galaxy S10 series. We have seen the official renders, we have seen live images of the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, and now we have the live images for the Galaxy S10e. This model has the potential to beat the rest with its amazing specs and its price. Of course, everyone cannot afford to pay $1,000, so this is where the Galaxy S10e comes and make things exciting. So before we take a look at the live images, this is the Galaxy S10e official press render from the side look that actually reveals its power key, which is very different compared to the S10 S10 Plus. It's larger because it has the fingerprint scanner embedded inside. The no in-display fingerprint scanner for the S10e, it's on the side. It's the first Galaxy S flagship phone to have a side fingerprint scanner. It's actually right on the top. Looks very similar to the iPhone X's power key. So we've got a series of Galaxy S10e live images. First up is this boot up leak that confirms the name of this phone. As you can see, it says Samsung Galaxy S10e. We don't really know what the E stands for here, but it is for the cheaper version. This is the smallest Galaxy of them all. We have a 5.8-inch display and it's flat. And because it's flat, we have these bezels on the side, which you won't find on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. But despite that, I have to say this is a really good looking phone. If you look at the top bezel and the bottom chin, it does have everything balanced out compared to the S10 family, where we have almost no side bezels. The top is very slim, but the bottom is a bit thicker, so it does get noticeable, but that's not the case with the Galaxy S10e. And of course, we do have that punch hole selfie camera on the top right corner. This is very similar to the look of the Samsung Galaxy S10. That phone has the punch hole camera towards the left and it uses the LCD display, but this one is using the AMOLED display, and this panel is as good as the other Galaxy S10 models. So pricing wise, the Galaxy S10e will attract a lot of customers because it's expected to start at $800. Yes, that's not cheap. Right now, the Galaxy S10e has the exclusive hardware. I mean, there is no Snapdragon 855 phone in the market, but by the time we'll see phones like OnePlus 7 coming out with Snapdragon 855, which is about 2 months from now, the price for the Galaxy S10e will go down and you will see this phone costing around $600 range. So the reign of the Galaxy S10e will really kick off after some time, because we have seen Samsung flagship phones, their price go down a lot after some time. So if you're not an early adopter, this thing will provide a great value, pretty much giving you all the specs of the S10 and S10 Plus, minus the in-display fingerprint scanner, minus the telephoto lens, and of course, a smaller form factor. Also, we have some live images of the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. So this right here is the S10. As you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the overall design looks so good that the punch hole camera won't be an issue at all. As always, the final official thing looks much better compared to the renders. Then we have the Galaxy S10 Plus, and this reveals an important thing here that we already know, and that is the fingerprint scanner, which is now inside the display. So as you can see with the lock screen, we have this animation for the in-display fingerprint scanner. And of course, One UI is here on all the models, which you have probably noticed by now. With the S10 Plus, we do have those dual cameras, which are more noticeable compared to the Galaxy S10, but they will give you wide angle selfie feature, which is something I really want to have on a Samsung phone, something that I've enjoyed with the Pixel 3 XL. So Samsung is giving that with a much beautiful look. If you look at the back, the S10 and S10 Plus will have pretty much the same look. We have 3 cameras on the back in horizontal orientation, so the Note and S lineup will look very similar thanks to this look, and this is because to accommodate a bigger battery size while also keeping important things like headphone jack. And here is the Galaxy S10 with 3 cameras on the back. It looks really good with that gloss, and this is in black color. At the launch, we'll see 3 color: black, white, and green. So a huge mega leak that shows us all the Galaxy S10 models, S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. And again, this is the whole summary of the specification and their expected pricing. Now, along with these live images, we also got something really interesting, and that is the Galaxy Buds. Yes, I did talk about the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They are the successor to the Gear Icon X, and they're gonna get launched alongside the S10 family for about $169. And here in this image, you can see that the S10 family does indeed have reverse wireless charging, meaning you can actually charge your Galaxy Buds using your Galaxy S10 phone. The pre-orders for the S10 family are expected to start from 8th March, so if you actually pre-order, Samsung will give you free Galaxy earbuds alongside, which is an amazing deal because, like I said, separately they will cost $169. So for those early adopters, this is definitely a huge good news. Also, we have a huge exciting news regarding the front cameras on the Galaxy S10 models. So it's been said that the punch hole will host a new 10 megapixel selfie camera with optical image stabilization and 4K video recording. Yes, you heard that right. That front camera that sits in that hole will be able to shoot stabilized 4K video. Guys, this is making me super exciting because Samsung has finally upgraded the selfie camera. It's been forever that we have seen the 8 megapixel sensor, so finally 10 megapixel is coming. Now, the same report says that the second front camera of the Galaxy S10 Plus is going to be a depth sensing unit, meaning you will get enhanced portrait selfies to compete against the likes of Pixel and the iPhone selfies. And if you're someone who takes selfies a lot, I think the Galaxy S10 Plus will be the one to provide the best selfies. Furthermore, the in-display fingerprint scanner on the S10 family is the best in the class. It will be better than any other in-display fingerprint scanners you have seen so far. It's going to be faster and more reliable, and it also takes less space. Instead of taking the whole bottom third area of the screen, it just sits at its own standard surface area. Now, the tipster played with Galaxy S10 models, and he says that there is no 3D touch home key like we have seen with the S8, S9 and Galaxy Note 8 family, that you can actually press the home key if you press it hard enough. That's actually gone with the S10 family. Instead, you will still be able to double tap to wake your phone up, but yes, you won't be having the 3D touch. Something we can also see from this year's iPhone, 3D touch could finally die. Furthermore, the report reveals that the Galaxy S10 Plus does indeed pack a 4100 mAh battery, one step further than the Galaxy Note 9. It will support reverse wireless charging, and something that is exciting for those people who shoot super slow-mo video. Now the Galaxy S10 family can record better super slow-mo video for slightly longer period of time. Now, in addition to the white, black and green color, some markets will get a vivid blue option, and for Galaxy S10e there will be an exclusive vivid yellow color to really make it stand out compared to the S10 and S10 Plus. Now, the Galaxy S10 Plus could have a super premium ceramic back version, which could actually be the 5G Galaxy S10 Plus. You have it rendered next to the normal prism black, and you can see that it does look slightly more attractive. The ceramic has a metallic brownish hue to it, so it is quite visible overall compared to a normal black version. Again, this is going to be exclusive for that 1TB premium S10 Plus model that could actually be the 5G Galaxy S10X. And finally, something that is completely different from the Galaxy S10 leaks, and that's a patent regarding the next Galaxy Note flagship. So it is a very strange one. It shows an S Pen with a camera. Yes, the camera is embedded into the actual stylus and is supposed to be controlled by an external button. It's another way to completely go bezel-less and remove the punch hole design and implement the camera into an actual stylus. Personally, I don't think it's gonna happen because all the social media apps, they require a proper front camera, and that's just gonna destroy the whole experience for that. In my opinion, Samsung wants to add more functionality to their S Pen. They're not gonna replace the selfie camera with this. This is just another next level feature for the S Pen that we right now don't understand. Hopefully there's some kind of meaningful thing behind this. I mean, if you want to take a selfie, you can just take with the front camera that is already existing on the phone. So it'll be interesting to see if Samsung actually implements the camera inside the S Pen and what its actual function will be. So that's all we have on the Galaxy S10 family. Some of the final amazing live images of all the models. We finally have an improved 10 megapixel selfie camera that can shoot 4K videos, and also we've got reverse wireless charging along with Galaxy earbuds. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What is the main feature that you are excited for? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.